Hey, hi, this is Abhishek. In this video, I will describe the DHCP server, how to make a DHCP server in domain controller. DHCP means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So we can static provide IP address for any of server, or automatic we can provide the IP address from DHCP server. So in this video, I am going to describe DHCP server from server manager. First, I will open the server manager from add role, next, next, next. Here the DHCP server. You can see Active Directory Domain Service and DNS. I have already installed previously. So currently I am going to install the DHCP server. So in this DHCP, the role administration tool and DHCP server tool will be added after adding. Next, for .NET 4.8 already latest version is installed. Group policy is also installed, as it is a domain controller, and this is a dc1 panther.com. Next, no need to reboot, it will automatic, no need to reboot. So uncheck this option, install. So it will take some time. After some time, it will install the DHCP server over this same domain controller in the forest. So through this DHCP server, we no need to provide static IP over any of member server or client machine. If we have DHCP server in our environment, then DHCP server will provide the IP address, and it will stored into DHCP database as well, and machine will automatically get the IP address from DHCP server, and it will store all the information into it. So currently it is installed successfully completed. Now I can close this option. See, one exclamatory, complete DHCP server configuration. Yes, DHCP administrator user. Now next, Panther, yeah, use alternative credential. We are using this credential, domain admin. Commit, create security groups. Done. Please restart DHCP server services on the target computer for the security groups to be effective. DHCP server done. Close. Now it's completed. Now DHCP ngmt.msc. See, DHCP server is installed in our domain controller currently, but here there is no scope. We can create the scope from here with respect to different subnet. Thank you. If you like this video, just like and subscribe. Bye.